Hello everyone, hope all of you are doing well. So in my last video I have shared with you the grocery shopping that I did from Lidl and a few of the discounts that I got. I will put the link of that video in the description box. If you haven't checked it, you can definitely check it out. And these are the few things which I have bought in that grocery haul, which I said I will be sharing with you how it turned out. This is the first one which I'm trying out. It turned out really great. These are shrimp pancakes and this really was yummy. If you want, definitely try this out. So in this packet there were about 12 to 14 pancakes and this really turned out great. We just have to shallow fry it as I'm doing it. I put a little oil and we just shallow fried it till golden brown on both the sides. About 3 to 4 minutes it took for me to fry it nicely till crisp and golden, and the taste and the flavor was really good. So definitely do give it a try. It was worth trying, and I just served it with some mayo dip. So these turned out really nice, and it's very easy and handy to cook. We can have it for breakfast or for our evening snacks. It is handy, and just take it out of the freezer and no need to even thaw it. We can just directly put it in the pan and cook it. So one of the great option that I got. I hope you will also like it and try it out. Looks yummy. Now the second one which I have bought is this churros, ready to use churros. So basically it was in the frozen section. We just have to take it out from the freezer and we can deep fry it. All the instructions are given behind, so we can just take out the churros and it's ready to go in the hot oil. We need to deep fry it. So one thing is the churros that I took out, as you can see, these are round shapes, so I thought it will be easy for me if I cut it from the middle, and it was easier for me to fry it in that way. If you want, you can fry it as a whole, but I just made it into a half, and then I fried it in the oil, and for me that was easy. And we just have to fry it for about 3 to 4 minutes till golden brown and crisp from all the sides. This was also a great option, and we can just have hot churros at home. Just take it out of the freezer, fried, and it is ready to enjoy. So definitely I think you should give it a try. Taste wise also it was good. It was really yummy with some dip. I have served it with Nutella dip. It will equal taste well with some chocolate dip. So definitely do give it a try. I think you will like this one as well. So this was crispy and yummy, and it was well cooked from inside, and it was really tasting nice. So if you have not checked the previous video, as I said, please do check it out, and I hope you will love it. Keep watching. Bye bye for now. See you soon.